Previously, I faced rejection, so I wasn't too much ready for it. But I won't say that education is not available there, but systematic education, that's what required. So this is available here.
Hi Arco, so congratulations, you have been selected. So what's going on through your mind?
I didn't expect, I had prepared, but because previously I faced rejection, so I wasn't too much ready for it. But it is very enthralling to be selected, and I feel very good.
How was your journey through LLRI?
I wanted to be in a research field, so that's why I chose clinical research. And then one day, out of the ordinary, LLRI, I got a call from LLRI. So then I got to know about the courses and stuff, and I admitted myself. Then the journey was beyond what I thought, of course, because I thought it would be like a normal course, but it was very much interactive and informative. At the same time, the teachers we had, the instructors, they guided us very well from the verbal sessions to get us out of our comfort zone, to get us more verbal, to express ourselves very well. And also then the technical sessions where we were filled with knowledge, because I'm not originally from this background, so it was more welcoming for me. I welcomed all the information that I got. I felt like I was being filled with all the informations, and it was awesome. And now I'm here.
What do you think worked well today, the technical side or the non-technical? What really helped you today?
I'd say both, because in the first screening round, so when I just walked in, I think it was my confidence that sir just said that, oh, you look nice. Or I was searching for someone with that posture or something. So I think that where the non-technical part comes in. And then for the technical part, it took over. I answered the questions which were asked to me, and I cleared the rounds, and I'm happy for Sujata Raghavan ma'am. She took the non-technical sessions, so that helped me get out of my shell. It helped me express myself more. So I started asking questions, because I didn't used to ask questions in class. I was that kind of a person in my college. So I started asking questions, I started interacting. Then there were Madhura ma'am, Polina ma'am. So they helped me very well. They totally engrossed me inside the subject, which just felt awesome. And that helped me grasp the subject even better.
Do you have any piece of advice or suggestion to the students who are planning to take a career path through LLRI?
Well, I'd suggest them or advise them to not make delay, because here things happen. And I won't say that education is not available there, but systematic education, that's what required. So this is available here. Because I'm from outside this domain, I can specifically tell you that how much a systematic knowledge is required. You can find a lot of information in YouTube and Google, but that's not systematic, and you can't train yourself well with that. And to appear in interviews and answer the questions systematically and get all the knowledge, what happens after what, you need institution where it can give you a good building block towards that. So that's where LLRI comes in, and I think it has done a very fine job.
Thank you, and all the best once again.
Thanks a lot.